galaxy. So first, grab your magazine paper. Make a giant circle out, like, you're going to make concentric circles, with the small circle being white. So here, I'll just show you. So add some red. Some red. You can add some orange. So make sure you have a lot of paint. Some yellow. And then, like, in the middle, you can add some white. So add some white around, some white there. Okay, then you have this. Hold this just like this. It looks like this. Here, I'll show you what I got there. So it looks like that. Spray where your galaxy is gonna be with crystal clear. So crystal clear in here just in case it's not dry. And what you want to do is that grab it from your left and smear with your right. So smear away, smear, and then when you have something that looks good, place it away. So you got something that looks like this. You can fix it up. You can use your fingers, make it go somewhere. Make it go like it's fading off. You can do it again if you want. So here, add red again. Add red again. Some orange. Finally some white, so you have this again. Spray some crystal clear if you want. Crystal clear here. And then just drag. Just drag. Left hand holds it up, right hand drag. So just drag. Drag it. You can even like smear like that. So just drag. Until you get something you like. And when you get something you like, just leave it. And then use your fingers to clean it up. So you want to make it look like it's fading. So I kind of like to use my fingers. You can use whatever though. Alright. With your white, add a little brightness in the middle. Then next up, you can add some black around to the parts that are going to be black. This is so bad. Okay, next step. Use a metallic yellow. You want to go on the outside of your fire galaxy and kind of just brush in. Kind of just spray on the outside. Then around that, you want to spray with black. So spray with black around. And with this, just kind of on the outside of it. I'm going to have that. Should have something like this. So you have something like this. You can add some stars. So add some stars around to your galaxy. lot of stars. So we have this. Then sometimes I like to use white for the fire because it adds like tiny little stars. Okay, so dry this really well. Let this up. Okay, then you have your circle cutouts. Look, circle cutout. You know how to do this already. Just put it where you want it. We'll do some things like black, like some green. With some green. Add some blue. Add a highlight of white. Okay. Take your newspaper, crumple it a little, and just a soft touch over. A soft touch. Very soft touch. Okay, lift this up. Alright. After that's done, you can add a white highlight, and then you want to add a shadow side to it too. Add a shadow side. Alright, so that's what it looks like there. I'm gonna blend this in. So it looks like that. I'll show you guys. Looks like that so far. Alright, next we'll add another one over here. This one will be yellow. So grab your yellow, spray over, grab your orange, little brushes. Your newspaper again, crumple up a little. Just a soft touch. With your white, reinforce the highlight. Then with your black, highlight the bottom, or shadow the bottom. So that's what it looks like there. So it looks like this so far, with their circle cutouts. Alright, finally we'll add another planet. What a tiny one. Let's see if I have my CD. Alright, here it's just a CD. This is what you can do too. Oops. Alright, this is black. Place it down. You just want to go on the outer edge of it. And then you can also use a tint color too. Just kind of tint it. And lift up. There you have a small little planet there. We can add another one too. We'll add, actually no, I think it's fine right now. Okay, so to finish off, I'm gonna make this black. Oh, this is how you color your cans. Just like I spray and then I just use my fingers and I dab. Color it. Alright, next we're gonna add some comets. I'm going to color the comments different colors. So this one will be yellow. And then, what else? Here. Do a lot of white. And then this is like a balloon pump. Just pump down. Alright. And with that, you can highlight that too. There's some different color tint. Alright, next. You can grab a poster board, grab your palette knife, kind of just like stab through. Make little holes in this. Here, I'll use this half. So I made something like this, just a bunch of holes in it. Alright, then grab your white, kind of spray through. We'll add like a tiny little stars. And like that. Then with your circle cutouts, you can just give like a brush of white. Make it look more spacey. Just a brush of white. Right, start over there. And then this painting is done. So hopefully that was like a quick little galaxy for you guys. Here, I'll even sign the bottom here. Alright, so voila. This is what it looks like. Maybe another light brush there. This is what it looks like. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you later. Thank you for everyone who subscribed, and I'll hope next video I'll make another one as well.